Put a finger down if you know this trending song. Put a finger down for each song you know. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're the king or queen of social media trends. Easy mode.
Somebody's watching me, is my anxiety.
Bonus round. Put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts to subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode.
And if you hear me something going at the back, going underneath.
Put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Now expert mode. Type in the comment how many